Respected jury, I, Pooja Grover, Computer Faculty, Government Senior Secondary, Smart School, Kamga, Barnala. Today, I am going to present my topic with this model and PPT. The topic is satellite. What is satellite? Satellite is an object that revolves around the planet like this. Types of satellite. There are mainly two types of satellite. One is natural satellite, moon, and other is artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are the satellites that made by people and launched into orbit by rockets and space shuttle. To launch an artificial satellite, it contains some smaller booster rockets with the rocket vehicle. After some time, when the fuel used in these rockets, then the booster rockets fall away and the rocket gets faster. When it reaches its desired proper altitude, it releases the satellite into the orbit. Next is how satellite works. Satellite works with three main components: uplink, satellite transponder, and the downlink. This is uplink. The ground stations send proper desired signal to the uplink signal with the transmitter, and the transponder amplifies these signals and changes its frequency. Then the third one is receiver. The ground station receives the signals that was transferred from the transponder and receive these signals on these ground stations. Types of artificial satellites. Navigation satellites. The satellite system used to determine the ground position of an object. All the ground stations use navigation satellites like ships, cars, and aeroplanes navigate through the Global Navigation Satellite System (GNSS). Military forces also use the GPS system. There are many navigation systems. GNSS, the navigation satellite system with global coverage, is called Global Navigation Satellite System. United States was the first country that backed GPS Global Positioning Satellite System. An ambitious global navigation satellite system is used. In Russia, has its own satellite system called Global Navigation Satellite System (GLINS). In China, Beidou Navigation Satellite System, which consists of more than 30 satellites. There, the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System IRNSS in India, and the last is Hwajin Satellite System in Japan. Satellite system which is similar to GPS satellite with some slight variations. Communication satellites such as radio, mobile, computers on the internet used communication satellite system. Hope the area of satellite is very wide. We all know that. I hope you all enjoy my